Catherine and I'll be demonstrating how to go about creating a story. As a user, by the end of the video, you'll be able to navigate around how to create a story, how to access sample templates, and also how to access advanced samples to help inspire you. So firstly, to create a story, you simply come to your SharpCloud homepage and navigate to the top left corner of your screen and click on Create New Story. Then choose the pack that is applicable to you and click OK. You'll be then presented with this screen that gives you three options: Public Stories, My Samples, and Enterprise. Public Stories gives you the option to create a Getting Started story that has some categories, some data, and some attributes. Within it, you've got a blank story, and then scrolling down, you've got some examples that can help inspire you across multiple use cases. And then we've got some more advanced solutions that are top and tailed with more of a dashboard and a bit more data within them. We then have My Samples, and My Samples are mainly aimed at customers working with a connected solution. They allow you to basically make a story, a sample, so that anyone within the pack can go ahead and create a story using the sample that you've created. And finally, we've got Enterprise, and this is once again for customers working with a connected solution. If you want to create a template within your solution, this empty story here is very much aimed at connected solutions. So it's completely empty. It's got no categories, no attributes, no data whatsoever. So it's a perfect story to use as a template. But coming back to public stories, so for the purpose of this video, I'm going to go ahead and create a Getting Started story. Now, before I go ahead and create it, it's worth noting that on all these different examples and etc., you can go ahead and preview them before you create them, so you can see what content is within them. So simply clicking create, what it's going to do now is going to create the story for me. So I'll give that a second. And you can see there we've now got our Getting Started story. We've got a couple of views, we've got some attributes, we've got some data, and we're all ready to start pulling in some of our data and defining the key questions we're trying to answer. So that is how you go about creating a story. Thank you for listening.